While those of us who are deep in the Google ecosystem are used to seeing assistant-based devices branded Google Home, that's all about to change. Soon, you'll see all of these accessories adopted into the Nest family. And to celebrate that, Google has announced a new smart display with tons of new features. This is the Nest Home Max. Now, if you're looking at this display and think, hey, that looks like a bigger Google Home Hub, you're not alone. The smaller version of this display, now renamed Nest Hub, focused on being able to tuck away anywhere and give you a visual look into your Google-filled life. Nest Hub Max stands out a lot more, with noticeably louder speakers and an ultra-wide camera. That camera works with Google Duo in a fun new way. It allows you to follow around the room as you walk and stay in the middle of the shot no matter where you are while chatting. If this sounds familiar, Facebook Portal does something a little similar. Where this camera stands separate is the ability to detect your face and present you with information that appeals just to you, like Voice Match does with other Google Assistant speakers. You can also raise your hand up to the camera to pause music and video, which is way more useful than I thought it would be until I saw it in action. But this is also part of the Nest ecosystem, which means in some ways you can use it as a Nest camera. There's also some additional security features that have been added, like a physical toggle switch that deactivates both the microphone and the camera and makes it so that you can be a little at ease if this isn't a room that you normally want a camera pointed at you in. All of that together sounds like it would be a fairly expensive bit of kit, but Google has set the Nest Hub Max at $229, which is a steal for sure. And if that's not something that you're particularly excited about, the regular Nest Hub has dropped down to $129, which, for those counting at home, is actually the price of the original Google Home speaker. Seeing all things Google Home under the Nest brand may take some getting used to, but this quality first effort to bring it all together is certainly going to make that a lot easier. Thanks for watching.